Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door assembly in your GE dryer, you will need a drill driver with a 1/4-inch bit and a number 1 square head bit. Unthread and remove the bottom screw on each hinge. Then loosen the top screw on each hinge. Lift the door up and away from the screws. To install the new door assembly, set the door hinges over the loosened screws. Rethread the bottom screws on each hinge. Then fully tighten all 4 screws. And your dryer should be ready for use.